Have you ever wondered what is inside a volcano? Why does hot lava come out of the ground? And what makes a volcano erupt? Today, we will travel beneath Earth's surface. We will discover what magma is and why it moves upward. We will also use a fizzy drink bottle to understand how pressure causes an eruption. A volcano is an opening in Earth's surface. Hot melted rock, gas, and ash can escape through this opening. Deep underground, Earth is very hot. Some of the rock there becomes hot enough to melt. This melted rock is called magma. Magma can slowly move upward through cracks in the ground. Imagine a bubble rising through a bowl of thick porridge. The bubble rises because it is lighter than the porridge around it. Magma rises in a similar way. But where does the magma go? Sometimes, magma collects in a large space under a volcano. More and more magma can enter this space. The magma also contains gas. This gas forms bubbles inside the magma. As the magma rises, the bubbles grow bigger. The growing bubbles create pressure. Pressure is a push inside a closed space. Think about a bottle of fizzy drink. A fizzy drink has tiny bubbles of gas inside it. When the bottle is closed, the gas cannot escape. If the bottle is shaken, the gas pushes harder inside it. When we open the bottle, gas and foamy drink may rush through the top. Something similar happens inside a volcano. Magma and gas are trapped under the ground. They push against the rock above them. More magma and gas can make the pressure stronger. What happens when the pressure becomes too strong? The pressure can break open a crack in the ground. Magma and gas then escape through the volcano. This is called a volcanic eruption. Magma gets a new name when it reaches the surface. Underground, it is called magma. Above the ground, it is called lava. Lava is very hot when it first leaves a volcano. As it cools, it becomes solid rock. Layers of cooled lava can slowly make a volcano bigger. Volcanoes can even create new land. Some islands were made by volcanoes under the ocean. Each eruption added another layer of rock. After many eruptions, the rock rose above the water. Volcanoes can be dangerous. That is why scientists watch them carefully. Scientists look for small movements in the ground. They check the gases coming from a volcano. These clues can tell them that magma is moving. People nearby can then move to a safer place. Your final mission question is this: what do we call magma after it reaches Earth's surface? Think about it for a second. The answer is lava. So the big idea is this: a volcano erupts when magma and trapped gas build up beneath the ground. The pressure pushes them upward through cracks in Earth's surface. Once the magma reaches the surface, we call it lava. Until the next mission, explorers.
Hey, Captain Space, adventures